This is a video of my Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway collection, so please enjoy. Here's Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Douglas, Oliver, Diesel, Bill, Ben, Daisy, Emily, Stephen, Ryan, Dart, Spencer, Harvey, Skiff, One Great Railway Show Center, and Diesel 10. Here are my narrow gauge engines: Scarlelli, Sir Handel, Ivo Hugh, Mighty Mac, and Luke. And here are my small railway engines: Mike. Here are my road vehicles: Bertie, Terrence, George, and Butch. Here are my coaches and cranes: Annie, Clarabelle, one express coach, and 4 branch line coaches. And here's my one crane, the old style breakdown crane. Here are my trucks and other rolling stock: Scruffy, Rickety, one gray troublesome truck, 4 troublesome trucks, 3 of the giggling troublesome trucks, the chocolate car, the gumball car, the Blue Mountain Corvette troublesome truck, the ULP van, Thomas troublesome truck with boxcars, Stingray tanker, soda fuel tanker, Tinmouth milk tanker, the baggage cars, the barrel car, coal car, box car, birthday box car, Arsdale ballast car, the slot and build chassis cars, the zoo cars, and 3 cargo cars. Here are my brake vans and cabooses: Toad, 2 red soda line caboose, 1 yellow soda line caboose, and 1 winter caboose. Here are my extra engines and variations of one I've already owned: 3 versions of Old Style Thomas, Talking Thomas, CGI Thomas, CGI Talking Thomas, Thomas Wood Birthday Thomas, James, celebrating 60 years Percy, Toby, 2022 Emily, 2022 Hero, Ben, Diesel 10, Bertie, 1997 Annie, 2022 Annie, New Style Clarabelle, and 2022 Clarabelle. And here are my destinations. We got 1 special engine shed, the 8-inch brown Dern table, Knapford covered bridge or Knapford tunnel, the 2022 Knapford station, all aboard station, the Thomas Wood solar suspension bridge, the stop and go station, the over the track signal house, and the final piece, the mountain tunnel. And that is the entirety of my Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway collection. Thank you for watching.